Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm sharing a very special Kickstarter that I have gotten. So I follow Heart and Vine Apothecary on Instagram. They had a Kickstarter for something completely out of my realm of experience, and so I went for it. So let's check it out. This was an add-on, Ars Granorum, the 16 Arts of Witchcraft. I just really, I felt very called to purchase this book, because I really feel like this person is speaking my language. So, veneration, absolutely. Divination, absolutely. This one I've been working on more. Necromancy has been opened more to me with the veneration. It says doorway, but yes. Plants, absolutely. And all of this, perfect. I'm very excited about this book. This book was an add-on, though. So the actual everything. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here, please, and thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I got a little part here. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I don't want to butcher this, but I think it says Noli Me Tangere. I don't know. God, I feel like I butchered it. So it's nice. It's felt. It's navy blue. I've got these beautiful pins. See the crosses? And they are sharp. That's why they got these little things on them. I wonder if I can get this out without doing that, because I love these pins and I want to keep them there. So this is a book on needles and pin, a witch's books of puppetry and figure magic. So I grew up absolutely terrified of dolls. It was no secret that when I was 5, I had a My Buddy doll, and Child's Play came out, and it was a done deal. Done deal. So this is extremely out of my comfort zone, but I saw it and I felt so called to get this book, to support this artist, this witch, Camden, and I did. So the book on needles and pins, the other book was an add-on. This, I forget what it's called. I want to say it's like Flesh and Bone and Sand or something. Let me see. I'm going to not do a disservice to this artist, and I'm going to properly tell you what's in it. So I'm going to go to Kickstarter and see what my pledge was, just so that I can make sure that I'm absolutely speaking correctly about this. I want to make absolutely sure that I'm giving him all the credit. So, copy of the book, a salt dough icon. So this must be salt dough. Oh my god, look at him. Hi, I hope you be my friend. I see your little thing broke. I'm sorry, friend. Where's your other horn go? Where did your other horn go? There it is, right there. Sorry that it's broken. We will fix it soon. Okay, we'll fix it. I'll glue it back on for you. So we've got this little guy. Hello, friend. One salt dough icon into which you can invoke a spirit. Ars Granorum is the other book. And the other stuff is, because the, what do you call them? Not kickers, but like rewards. Or stretch goals. So let me see. The stretch goals were 2 enchanted pins. So these are beautiful enchanted pins. 2 enchanted pins and 2 poppet skins with needle and thread. And so we've got a beautiful needle here. Okay. We've got I've got 2 poppet skins here. So I've got a yellow and a purple. And there's a pretty pin here. And here is some thread. Alright. I'm trying to be super respectful and careful with all of this. Just because I feel like I'm ready to start learning about this doesn't mean that I want to take anything lightly and be disrespectful. Okay, all backers received 2 enchanted pins, 2 papa skins, and a pair of enchanted scissors. I don't know if we made that one. Let me open this little one. A Noli Me Tangere bookmark. It's probably in there. Oh, this is stuffing. Oh, there it is. Sand, bone, and flesh mixture. I don't know what stretch goals were made. Hold on, let me look at this. Oh, I see. So we made it to basically that level of stretch goal. And then they added the sand, flesh, and bone as like a treat because we didn't make it to the 5,000. Okay, and so this is like a little stuffing. Little stuffing for the inside of these guys' little bodies. Okay, so we've got little stuffing, we've got a needle and thread, we've got 2 little skins and a pin, we've got a big old needle, we've got a little bottle of sand, flesh, and bone. Oops, sorry. We've got our beautiful little salt dough figure. We've got our books. Uh-oh, where's my book? Okay, no, none of the pages were bent. I've got this second book. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. I read the wrong pledge, but so, and then I got this really cool like book cover. Super, super, super excited. I would definitely, I'm going to slip it back in there until I'm ready for it. I would definitely, absolutely check out Heart and Vine Apothecary. I'm going to leave links in the comments below so you can check this out. Camden has got a really like level head, and I super enjoy their content. Especially in kind of like, oh, my friend, your little head. Especially in kind of like, I don't know, people are very inflammatory in the community, it feels like to me. I feel like we're all feeling the stress of COVID or something because people are acting out of pocket. But I am super psyched to share this with you guys. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below. I'm not sure when I'm going to delve into this just because so much is going on with my school and work. I'm not sure when I'm going to have time to really commit to this, but I knew I wanted to support this work, and I knew that it was something that I was going to need. I felt called to it. And sometimes I buy something that I feel called to, and I do it right away. Sometimes I do it in like a few months. Sometimes I do it in a couple years. Sometimes it's an absolute perfect gift for somebody else at a future date. I don't know, but I felt called to buy this. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I'll talk to you soon.